We live in a world saturated with screens. They are everywhere we look. Smartphones, tablets, computers, televisions, they dominate our homes, workplaces, and even our pockets. This constant access to information and entertainment has undoubtedly brought many benefits, connecting us in ways never before imagined. However, this hyper-connected existence comes at a cost. The pervasiveness of screens has led to an unprecedented surge in screen time, with potentially detrimental effects on our physical, mental, and social well-being. The allure of the digital world is undeniable. It offers instant gratification, endless entertainment, and a constant stream of information at our fingertips. But amidst this digital feast, we must pause and consider the potential downsides of our screen-obsessed culture. Are we sacrificing our health and relationships at the altar of digital connectivity? It's time to examine the impact of excessive screen time and rediscover the importance of a balanced life beyond the pixels. What exactly constitutes excessive screen time? It's a question without a simple answer, as it varies depending on factors like age, occupation, and individual habits. However, experts generally agree that spending the majority of our waking hours glued to screens is excessive and potentially harmful. Studies reveal that adults spend an average of over 11 hours per day interacting with digital media. This includes time spent on smartphones, computers, televisions, and other devices. Children and teenagers, often referred to as the digital generation, are spending even more time immersed in the digital realm, averaging over 7 hours a day on screens for entertainment alone. These statistics paint a concerning picture of a society increasingly tethered to the digital world, with potentially serious consequences for our health and well-being. The physical ramifications of excessive screen time are becoming increasingly apparent. One of the most common complaints is digital eye strain, a condition characterized by dry eyes, headaches, and blurred vision. Staring at screens for prolonged periods strains the eye muscles and reduces blinking, leading to discomfort and dryness. Furthermore, the blue light emitted from screens disrupts our natural sleep-wake cycle. This blue light suppresses melatonin production, a hormone crucial for regulating sleep patterns. As a result, excessive screen time, especially in the evening, can lead to insomnia, poor sleep quality, and daytime fatigue. Beyond these immediate effects, research suggests links between excessive screen time and an increased risk of obesity, cardiovascular disease, and other chronic health problems. The impact of excessive screen time extends far beyond the physical realm, significantly affecting our mental and emotional well-being. Studies have linked excessive social media use to increased feelings of anxiety, depression, and loneliness. The constant barrage of carefully curated online personas and highlight reels can fuel social comparison, leading to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem. Moreover, the fast-paced, attention-grabbing nature of the digital world can impair our ability to focus and engage in deep thinking. The constant notifications, updates, and alerts fragment our attention, making it challenging to concentrate on complex tasks or engage in meaningful conversations. This erosion of our attention spans can have profound consequences for our cognitive abilities, creativity, and overall well-being. Social disconnect, fading connections in a hyper-connected world. Ironically, in an age of unprecedented connectivity, excessive screen time is contributing to social isolation and strained relationships. While social media platforms promise to connect us, they often serve as a poor substitute for genuine human interaction. Spending hours scrolling through social media feeds can detract from time spent engaging in face-to-face conversations, sharing meals together, and building meaningful connections. The constant availability afforded by smartphones can also intrude on our personal relationships. Text messages, emails, and social media notifications can interrupt conversations, disrupt intimate moments, and create a sense of disconnection between partners. The expectation of constant digital accessibility can lead to feelings of pressure and resentment, further straining relationships. The young and the restless. Screen time's impact on children. Children, with their developing brains and impressionable minds, are particularly vulnerable to the negative effects of excessive screen time. Research suggests that excessive screen time in early childhood can hinder language development, social skills, and emotional regulation. The rapid-fire stimulation of many screens can overstimulate a child's developing brain, potentially leading to attention problems, impulsivity, and difficulty with emotional regulation. Furthermore, excessive screen time can displace other essential activities crucial for healthy development, such as physical play, creative exploration, and social interaction. The sedentary nature of screen time contributes to a rise in childhood obesity and other health problems. It's imperative that parents and educators understand the potential risks of excessive screen time and take proactive steps to mitigate them. Parenting in the digital age, guiding young navigators. Navigating the digital landscape with children can feel like uncharted territory for parents. The constant influx of new apps, games, and platforms can make it challenging to keep up and establish healthy boundaries. However, parents and educators play a vital role in guiding children toward a healthy and balanced relationship with technology. One of the most critical steps is modeling healthy screen habits. Children learn by observing the adults in their lives. If parents are constantly glued to their devices, children are more likely to exhibit similar behaviors. Setting clear limits on screen time, both for children and themselves, is essential. Designating screen-free zones such as the dinner table or bedrooms can help create spaces where family members can connect and engage without digital distractions. Setting boundaries. Practical tips for screen time control. Breaking free from the clutches of excessive screen time requires conscious effort and practical strategies. Start by becoming aware of your screen time habits. Many smartphones and computers now come equipped with built-in features that track screen time usage. Once you have a clear understanding of your habits, you can start setting realistic goals for reduction. Designate specific times for checking emails, social media, and engaging in other online activities. Avoid mindless scrolling by setting time limits for apps and websites. Turn off notifications and put your phone away during meals, conversations, and designated unplugged time. Make a conscious effort to engage in activities that don't involve screens, such as reading, spending time in nature, pursuing hobbies, or simply enjoying face-to-face conversations. Reclaiming life beyond the screen. Finding balance and connection. Breaking free from excessive screen time is not about demonizing technology, but rather about reclaiming control over our digital consumption and rediscovering the joys of a balanced life. It's about prioritizing our well-being, nurturing our relationships, and engaging with the world beyond the screen. Start by rediscovering the simple pleasures of life that exist outside the digital realm. Spend time in nature, connect with loved ones face-to-face, pursue hobbies that ignite your passions, and engage in activities that bring you joy. Rediscover the lost art of conversation, the joy of shared experiences, and the beauty of the present moment. The offline world offers a richness and depth that the digital realm can never fully replicate. The feel of the sun on our skin, the sound of laughter shared with loved ones, the satisfaction of creating something with our own hands, these are the experiences that truly nourish our souls. Disconnecting from the digital world, even for brief periods, allows us to reconnect with ourselves and the world around us. It provides an opportunity to quiet the mental noise, reduce stress, and engage our senses. Embrace the power of offline experiences to cultivate mindfulness, creativity, and a deeper appreciation for the present moment. A future unplugged, embracing a balanced digital diet. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, it's more important than ever to cultivate a mindful and balanced relationship with the digital world. Just as we strive for a healthy diet to nourish our bodies, we must cultivate a digital diet that promotes our well-being. This means setting boundaries, prioritizing offline experiences, and engaging in activities that nourish our minds, bodies, and relationships. By making conscious choices about our digital consumption, we can harness the power of technology while safeguarding our health, relationships, and overall well-being. The future belongs to those who can strike a harmonious balance between the digital and the real, embracing the best of both worlds.